This guy Rajat Dalal stayed with a woman
Yeah.
in the house and respected her there. उसको फिर बाहर आके they're calling like ill. The girl name is Chum. She's from Assam.
मुझे लगता है कि I think nowadays everybody is portraying a certain image. I'm the perfect. I am very educated. I am knowledgeable. Just follow me and my content and I will make you a better person. पर ऊपर की जो knowledge होती है ना,
हाँ.
जो आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते हो या चैट जीपीटी से निकाल लेते हो कि ये है, ये बोल देते हैं and it's going to rake in millions of views. But I truly feel that गुस्से में और ह्यूमर में कई बार इंसान का असली चेहरा दिख जाता है.
Do you find issue with Samir Raina's show or do you find issue with Ranveer Alavadia?
I think both. देखो थोड़ा बहुत गाली गलौज is okay. Everybody does that. But मेरे को
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a pod with Nick, and I welcome you to the yet another episode. Or we bring you a very beautiful girl from Delhi. Can I take the liberty to call you beautiful?
absolutely, I would love that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
She talks life. She talks personal growth. She talks about how a life can evolve. She's hitting almost 300K, that is 3 lakh followers over Instagram.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
And you are a corporate slave.
I am. I am.
So मैं ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ, I love people who are into a job and take this as a side hustle, because
Yeah.
there are people who make this as a profession. Agreed.
Mhm.
बहुत अच्छा है. But you took it as a side hustle and you're still 3 lakh followers,
Yeah.
doing beautiful, making good content.
Thank you.
आपको क्या लगता है कि how is social media doing these days? कैसा चल रहा है?
I would say social media बहुत ही disturbed time से चल रहा है, owing to the things which has happened recently.
Uh-huh.
So I believe that right now I can't say for sure that what audience wants to see. कि एक अच्छा content है, maybe वो अच्छा perform नहीं करेगा. एक बहुत ही crass content है, it is going to perform in millions.
Mhm.
So right now I feel that social media has become so unpredictable, and a lot of my friends, what they have done is that they have uninstalled Instagram,
Okay.
and they say that that was mindless scrolling. They were not able to learn anything. They were wasting a lot of time, and they said that we are not going to see Instagram anymore. So I really don't know that what's going to happen maybe 5 years down the line, and I really don't know as of now that how we are going to.
What is your view? Have you heard about people called Elvish Yadav, Rajat Dalal?
Yeah.
Have you seen heard about those?
हाँ, I have heard.
मैंने बिग बॉस का मतलब पूरा नहीं देखा, but I was like actually following Big Boss
Uh-huh.
over the reels only.
Mhm.
ठीक है? और this guy Rajat Dalal stayed with a woman
Yeah.
in the house and respected her there.
Yeah.
और उसको फिर बाहर आके they're calling like ill. What's the name? The girl name is Chum. She's from Assam. Very beautiful girl.
Uh-huh.
And she won some pageant as well.
Okay.
But the thing is, you come out and you talk shit on camera.
Yeah.
You're actually defaming a woman.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
I
कुछ
know I
idea?
haven't seen that, but I have seen what has recently happened in Ranveer Lavadia's India's
Samir
got,
Raina's India Got Latent.
yeah.
We
India's
might
got
have a
la-
different view to it.
But मुझे लगता है कि I think nowadays everybody is portraying a certain image. Maybe it is of I am the perfect. I am very educated. I am knowledgeable, and I'm going to help you everybody out there. Just follow me and my content, and I will make you a better person. And then they have another side to it, wherein you feel them, as you said earlier, that they are hollow people. They are just एक
Okay,
ऊपर
you
ऊपर
are bringing the off-camera talks in front of camera. ठीक है.
कि एक ऊपर की जो नॉलेज होती है ना,
हाँ.
जो आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते हो या चैट जीपीटी से निकाल लेते हो कि ये है, ये बोल देते हैं and it's going to rake in millions of views, and I'll be out there and I have a certain image. But I truly feel that गुस्से में और ह्यूमर में कई बार इंसान का असली चेहरा दिख जाता है, क्योंकि आप गुस्से में जो बोल जाते हो, कई बार आपके दिल की बातें निकल जाती हैं, और कई बार मजाक में आप जो बात बोल जाते हो,
Okay,
उससे
यहाँ
पता
पर ना दो
चलता है
चीजें हैं.
कि
Do you find issue with Samir Raina's show or do you find issue with Ranveer Alavadia?
I think both. I don't understand the dark humor or dark comedy up till a certain extent, wherein people are okay to discuss about somebody's sex life or discussing the private parts or
थोड़ा
talking
गाली गलौज
about.
कर लिया.
हाँ, देखो थोड़ा बहुत गाली गलौज is okay. Everybody does that. But मेरे को, I personally feel that India's best comedian is Kapil Sharma. I really love that guy, because that is the first guy who has made family come together and they can watch that show, they can laugh together,
Agree.
they can have a good time. But ये जो dark comedy हो गई है ना, इसकी कोई limit ही नहीं रही है. As in, will you eat shit just because people will laugh? No. But people are talking shit, and people are clapping on that, and they are saying, wow dude, क्या बात बोल दी तूने, अरे तू तो बहुत ही अलग है, ये पॉडकास्ट के रिजेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस थे क्या, लाइक ये कहाँ छुपा के रखे थे क्वेश्चंस. सो मे बी वो रहे होंगे अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एलियन क्वेश्चंस, बट शायद ये भी रहे होंगे. एंड आई डोंट बिलीव दैट एक लिमिटलेस कॉमेडी इज फन, बिकॉज अंटिल इट्स अबाउट यू आर ओके कि दूसरे के ऊपर आप कुछ भी बोल
हाँ.
सकते हो, देन इट्स फाइन. बट व्हेन इट हैपेंस टू यू, then you'll be like, fuck, ये तो गलत है, अब तो ये गलत है, and then you make an agenda out of it, and now you say that I'm sorry. I really don't believe that. I think that it comes somewhere from within, or maybe he wanted to act so cool that look, I'm so cool, मैं spiritual हूँ, religious हूँ, but I'm cool too. So maybe.
मैं can I share my perspective?
हाँ, sure.
अच्छा, पहले ना मैं एक चीज़ करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि being spiritual doesn't mean कि तुम गाली ही नहीं देते यार.
हाँ, I agree that. I agree
Being
to
spiritual
that.
doesn't mean
No,
you
no,
wanna walk this
no. I don't mean gali. I meant that word.
weird humor.
That weird humor. So गाली सब देते हैं बंद कमरे में अपने दोस्तों के साथ. There is always a time and place and the right set of group of people wherein you do that thing. Everybody does that. Everybody has alcohol. लोग smoke करते हैं, लोग नॉन वेज भी खाते हैं. That is okay with your own set of people. But when you know कि अब बच्चों के सामने तो जाके स्मोक नहीं करोगे ना, बच्चों के सामने जाके गालियां तो नहीं दोगे ना, बच्चों के सामने मार पिटाई तो नहीं करोगे ना. But when you have established yourself as I'm a certain figure and my content is being watched by millions, and I am a figure wherein everybody trusts me with their growth as well. So उस point पे, yes, I will take it that you were spiritual, you were religious, so you do meditation, so you might have a certain mind control over what to say, what not to say, but yet you chose a place, you chose a platform which was a wrong timing to say those exact sentences which he said.
मुझे ना I like समय
Okay.
रहना, but sometimes
Who is in US right now?
yeah for a reason, because I kind of like Echo with his humor. मेरे को वो थोड़ा अलग
I think Samay Rana was the one who joked about Kusha Kapila's
yes
sex life and her marriage and stuff.
ठीक है.
Okay.
I didn't get to hear it. It was all cut and
yeah.
तो शायद मैं उससे वो नहीं करता, क्योंकि पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके तुम ग्रुप में बैठ के 2-3 लोग आपस में करोगे कि तुम्हारी एक बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है. I agree to it. Putting it on a platform like this is not something I'll buy. रणवीर के साथ सीन पता क्या हुआ है कि उसने ना अपनी इमेज ना बहुत अच्छी बनाई कि आई एम अ स्पिरिचुअल गाय, द वे ही सेड इट, मैं मेडिटेशन सेल कर रहा हूं. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो एनी कंटेक्स्ट कि वो कितने टाइम से मेडिटेटिव है. I don't want to go there because I've seen that guy visiting Isha. I'm Isha volunteer. I've seen that guy visiting Isha many times, but never into any deep meditation courses. Kangana Ranaut karti, so she has done Samyama. That is the highest.
Yeah, I love that woman.
ठीक है. But what she is in front of camera, she's back of the camera. She's like that.
Yeah. And I admire her for her guts. Yeah.
एक बार ना there is a very, जब तुम बोल रहे थे मेरे को बहुत अच्छी saying याद आई. This goes to people who are hollow and they portray this something on the internet, and in real life they are something else.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा था, एक बार एक crow होता है और bull होता है. ठीक है. crow बहुत बूढ़ा हो जाता है एंड वो उड़ नहीं सकता.
अच्छा.
तो वो कह रहा है इट्स माय लास्ट डे यार, मतलब मैं थोड़े दिन रह गए हैं एंड वी बोथ आर फ्रेंड्स, कोई और तो मेरे पास क्रो है नहीं, दे आर यंग, दे फ्लाई हाई, तो मैं अकेला हूँ, तू नीचे आ. तो बात कह रहे कि यू बुल कहता है कि यू आर माय फ्रेंड, तो आई एम गोना गिव यू जड़ी बूटी, यू ईट माय शिट. ठीक है, इट्स वार्म, इट गोना गिव यू स्ट्रेंथ. कहता है अच्छा. तो वो एक दिन उसकी शिट खाता है. ठीक है, और वो उड़ के देखता है तो वो फर्स्ट टहनी तक पहुंच जाता है.
अच्छा.
तो कह रहा है ये तो सही में वर्क कर रहा है यार. तो वो थोड़ी और शिट खाता है.
अच्छा.
वो सेकंड टहनी तक पहुंचता है. ऐसे ऐसे करके थोड़े दिन बीतते हैं, वीक बीतता है. ही इज ऑन द पीक ऑफ द ट्री.
ओके.
वेरी लविंग इट कि आई एम गुड नाउ, किल कर रहा हूं मैं. दूर एक फार्मर बैठा होता है गन लेके. वो कह रहा है अरे पक्षी, एंड द क्रो फेल्स डाउन. इससे मोरल पता है क्या निकलता है स्टोरी का? बुलशिट कैन टेक यू टू द टॉप, but it will not let you stay there.
Yeah,
you'll definitely fall down.
Oh my god, that's a good story. I will use it in my reel.
Don't use it as Sadhguru story, yaar. It's not even mine. I just heard
No,
it.
I will absolutely give the credit where it's due.
Okay. How do you find Delhi? What is Delhi to you? You have traveled world. हम बात कर रहे थे तुम Paris. You have been to a lot of places.
Yeah,
And
I
your job
did.
makes you travel.
Yes.
So tell me, how is Delhi?
Delhi is what can I say about Delhi? Delhi is, so I'll tell you what Delhi means to me. I won't say what Delhi is. I will tell what Delhi
What
is to me.
in your perception?
So I had done my schooling in Haryana
ठीक है.
from a small town in Bahadurgarh. I was in a convent school, St. Thomas School.
I've heard about that.
Yeah, and then Bal Bharti School. And I got admission into engineering in PDM College,
कौन सा batch के
Bahadurgarh.
हो?
St. Thomas School.
PDM.
No, I'm telling you.
I'm a
wait.
graduate of PDM.
I didn't go to PDM. Listen to the stories. It's good. So my father wanted me to be either a doctor or an engineer. And his dream was that I should be in the services, a bureaucrat, highest services in the nation. And I didn't have least bit of interest कि मुझे नहीं करना या this is something not for me. And to be very honest, if you would ask me, I've always wanted to be in the, if I can say that freely. Maybe we'll talk later if it can be used or not. I always wanted to go to Mumbai, and I wanted to see the glamour world, or to see the movies thing.
Do you think you're pretty?
I am. I have good genes. Don't you think so?
I'll not comment on that.
No. So see, I have learned this over time. When people used to praise me that you look good, you're looking beautiful, I used to say, nah, I'm not beautiful. You are so beautiful, you're looking very nice, you have a very nice dress. No, it's not good, and blah blah. And now I have learned ki yes, I'm looking good, and I've put in a certain effort to it. I should just embrace what praises are coming towards me. Why I'm hiding behind a certain thing, and why I'm saying no, I am not. I am, yes. I have put a certain effort in it, and I would like to take those compliments, and I would love that. So coming back to the question of PDM. Delhi. So yes. So I didn't
first of all, thank you
for
making yourself realize that you want to come back to the question.
Yeah.
Because usually what happens is when people in podcast it happens. When you say yaar baatein hoti hain.
So I got into PDM engineering, and then I also got into BBA. So my father has always been into services, Haryana services, and he was, even though we had a village background, he has always been in the city, and we filled almost 20 different forms of BBA, even for NIFT, of engineering, of even जो doctors के होते हैं, जो भी होते हैं, and NEET, हाँ. And then he said that I don't want to waste even a single opportunity, that you don't feel like that you were not heard, or यहाँ admission मिल सकता था, या ये course मिल सकता था, but we didn't fill in the form. So I got into BBA in Delhi, IP University, Indraprastha University, and then PDM, Bahadurgarh. I chose Delhi. You know why? Not because I wanted to do BBA. BBA is, I didn't know about what BBA is apart from the full form of it, but I wanted to get out of Bahadurgarh. I wanted to get out of that small city. I wanted to explore what Delhi is like, and because Haryana mein ek hota hai na, because I have lived in that city for since my childhood, almost, from Rohtak and Gurgaon and then Bahadurgarh. I was in a you can say a small pond, and I wanted to experience that. How would I be in a a sea. And
were you afraid there would be sharks out there?
I used to consider myself as a
shark
in school time. Yeah, I used to be in the debates team. I was a sports captain, I was a school captain, and every sport, every extracurricular, I used to be there. And but when I came to Delhi, I found ki money and a certain image will have a certain impact on how you make friends, or how you travel, what kind of clothes you wear. And
इसको थोड़ा सरल में बताओ मुझे. This is something good you're talking about. So money would have money and looks or status.
Yeah.
Would have impact on the friends.
Yes. So because जैसे जब आप दिल्ली में आते हो, so Delhi में you have these 4 different zones. साउथ दिल्ली, नॉर्थ
Not
दिल्ली,
Delhi,
वेस्ट
East Delhi,
दिल्ली,
West
ये
Delhi, yes.
सारी चीज़ें. एंड देन यू हैव डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ पीपल. एक जगह के लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पॉश पॉश, मनी एंड पेडिक्योर्स, मैनिक्योर्स. एक तरफ के
EMIs.
लोग विल बी लाइक
EMIs.
AMIs. एक तरफ के लोग विल बी द फुल ऑन अलॉय व्हील कार एंड लाउड म्यूजिक एंड धिनचक चल रहा है. एक तरफ के लोग होंगे बहुत ही सिंपल एंड डाउन टू अर्थ. एंड आई
ये सिंपल और डाउन टू अर्थ कहाँ के है? नॉर्थ, वेस्ट, ईस्ट,
वेस्ट में भी थोड़ा बहुत.
सारे
सी आई थिंक पता है हर जगह के ना सिंपल मिल जाते हैं अगर ढूंढो तो.
ऐसे ही है, सारा सब सेम है. I'll tell you, सब सेम है.
तो and I genuinely thought that I would not be able to stand as who I am, from Haryana. I didn't have a fancy phone, I used to have the roaming on. Can you imagine? Because my mine was Haryana number.
तो हाँ समझ गया वो साइन
हाँ
ऊपर
है
नीचे
ना,
वाला साइन
या
आता
वो
होगा.
वाला है ना. एंड because उस टाइम पर I used to travel by bus, so I used to take Haryana Roadways, then DTC, then college, and then back DTC, and then Haryana Roadways. And I used to travel alone. And my parents were like so confident that even if she's coming at 8 p.m. it's fine, she can deal with it, because that's how we have been brought up. Because in our family it was not like you're a girl or you're a boy, we were treated alike. So but I found myself in Delhi कि even though आप जैसे कपड़े पहनते हो you will be made fun of. ये कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, क्या कहते हैं उसको, बहन जी टर्न मॉड, BTM, something like that, ऐसी statement.
ठीक है. नहीं, this is true. This is true.
That's true. And क्योंकि आप इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर रहे, it's a big deal in Delhi.
मैं आपको बोलने वाला था कि हम थोड़ा हिंदी में थोड़ा ज़्यादा जिक्र कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
चीज़ों का.
And they didn't know that I had a convent background and we were fined अगर हम हिंदी में बात करते थे. 2 rupees वाला fine, you remember?
हाँ.
So I could speak in English, but I was very comfortable in talking to my friends in Hindi. But मैं हिंदी में ज़्यादा बात करती थी, इंग्लिश में नहीं करती थी. I chose not to. So there was a time wherein I felt that people are judging me, that I'm not doing any makeup, like absolute no makeup. I had a choti, होती है ना, एक चोटी बना ली,
black.
हाँ. और नॉर्मल अपने कपड़े, थोड़ा सा जितना आपको पता है, you're fresh out of school, you don't know कि दिल्ली में
bell bottoms.
हाँ, bell bottoms. पहले के I don't know तब दिल्ली में कहाँ शॉपिंग करते थे, मे बी सरोजनी और द मॉल्स, और जो जब तब इतने मॉल्स इतने भी नहीं थे. एंड तब I felt कि this is a different world. But one thing my father has always taught me, that I think I'm really proud of how they have brought us up, is कि I never felt that मैं किसी से कम हूँ just because किसी के मुकाबले मेरे पास कम पैसा है, या किसी की बड़ी गाड़ी है मेरी छोटी गाड़ी है, किसी के ज़्यादा फैंसी कपड़े हैं मेरे कम फैंसी हैं, yeah, I'm not getting any manicure done or pedicure done, or my hair looks like this, they are not perfectly blow dry. And after a struggle of 6 months, I think I had the amazing circle wherein I was just being myself.
Initially complex हुआ था.
हाँ.
And how did you cope up with it? By just ignoring it?
No, I used to sit in a corner. एंड देन धीरे धीरे होता है ना कि जो सेम तरीके के लोग होते हैं आपको ढूंढ ही लेते हैं, जो कॉर्नर वाले लोग होते हैं धीरे धीरे. एंड आई यूज्ड टू सी सम पीपल वर लाइक रियली कूल, एक अच्छी मतलब बैगी जीन्स पहनी है, टी शर्ट पहने हैं, दे लुक रियली कूल एंड यू वांट टू टॉक टू देम, मेक फ्रेंड्स. बट देन यू सी योरसेल्फ इन अ चोटी एंड यू फील लाइक ओह मैं तो नहीं कर सकती ऐसे. बट देन आई वाज जेन्युइनली अ फन लविंग गर्ल एंड वेरी सिंपल, एंड आई यूज्ड टू से व्हाट वाज ऑन माय माइंड. तो धीरे धीरे मेरे जैसे लोग मुझे मिलते चले गए. एंड बाय द टाइम कॉलेज एंडेड, वी वर अ ग्रुप ऑफ 10 to 12 people, and still today we are in touch with each other. And I believe that is one of my most treasured part of my life, that I made friends in that college wherein I went there as a freshly out of school, and
as I can say, the wild version of yourself.
हाँ.
अभी आपने filter कर लिया, because as you grow,
हाँ.
you drop things, you pick things.
Yeah.
But that was the wild.
That was I would say See, if I will show you the photographs of me now versus that.
Hmm.
I have groomed groomed a lot. See, I'm that type of a person who wants to learn every day, who wants to grow every day. If there are some new things, I would love to try. I love to experiment, and I think that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing social media. That's why I'm learning a lot of new things, because I believe that as a human being, one should grow. One should not be stagnated. So इसीलिए मेरे को लगता है कि that really helped me कि कई बार आप अगर खुद जानते हो ना कि मैं जैसा हूँ ये काफ़ी नहीं है और मुझे नया सीखने की ज़रूरत है या इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है, आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ गुड रियलाइजेशन एंड इट विल हेल्प यू ओनली. It has helped me a lot.
Okay, coming back to the question.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन?
How do you find Delhi? Abhi,
Delhi, I think Delhi has given me
is Delhi
legs.
a vibe?
It is.
Would you, given a chance, which part of the world would you live in?
London.
Why? Is it बहुत grey है वो.
Grey.
I'm not sure. I please disagree with me. मेरा views अलग है वहाँ. Sunshine देखने के लिए I'm more like a nature person. जब sunshine निकलता है ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है yeah, एक happiness निकलती है. यहाँ से दिल खुलता है. London में थोड़ा time में you feel depressive.
See,
Grays, blue, grays, tube, blue, grays, tube. Go back.
See, I love that city. मेरी family वहाँ है. One of my families are there. I visit them every summer. So it feels just close to my heart. Maybe because of my family. And whenever I go there, I live जैसे मेरा घर है. And I'm living here. The vibe, the air, the smell of that crisp air, and everything around you is so pretty, so clean. And just because I think you're on a holiday, so everything looks beautiful. Maybe that is also one of the reasons. And you explore a lot, you experiment a lot, so maybe I find that city to be very beautiful. But I think for now Noida is home. I feel I love the space. I can't live in Delhi anymore because Delhi is very congested, very crowded, too much of traffic, too many people, too many shoshabazi. So I think
नोएडा में शोशाबाजी, गुड़गांव में शोशाबाजी है.
Yeah, Gurgaon is very far. It's like I have to cross.
नोएडा में शोशाबाजी है.
इतनी नहीं है. I think now I have my own tribe. So I really love with those friend circle, and I get to chill and be who I am. So maybe
How has
that
been your
is-
experience with Delhi के लड़के? Obviously you look good, so in the college they must have approached you. A lot of people.
Yeah, but at that time confidence बहुत था. As I told you कि confidence बहुत था कि नहीं मैं जो
इधर लड़कों को confidence चाहिए reach करने के लिए.
नहीं
You're at the receiving end.
नहीं, लड़कों में कॉन्फिडेंस था. मुझ में 2 कॉन्फिडेंस थे. ठीक है, एक कॉन्फिडेंस ये था कि मैं जैसी हूँ अच्छी हूँ, काफ़ी हूँ. आई कैन आई हैव माई ओन फुटिंग. ठीक है. दूसरा कॉन्फिडेंस ये था कि आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ फॉर एनी गाय टू अप्रोच मी.
ये confidence नहीं था. ये
नहीं,
complex था.
कॉम्प्लेक्स कह लो या खुद पे इतना बिलीफ था कि इफ somebody says that I want to be friends with you or I want to talk to you, because कॉलेज का पहला दिन एक रैगिंग हो रही है. there was one senior who was clearly flirting, and the next day he proposed. I was like,
To you?
yeah.
हाँ.
And I was like, how could this guy like me?
तू जा, मैं तेरे को माफ करती हूँ.
मैं माफ करती हूँ. And like I've come from Bahadurgarh, and my dressing sense versus the typical Delhi girls dressing sense, I don't stand there. So maybe this guy is just looking for having a fun time and not serious at all. So to be very honest, I never had a boyfriend. The first boyfriend I made, I married him. He's my husband, and that too when I was in my MBA.
How's your? Do you mind if I ask about your
Yeah.
story?
Sure.
It was in your MBA.
Yeah, MBA.
So how long did you guys? Just tell me the story about it.
So, but before you want to know that story, I'll tell you. स्कूल में बहुत लड़के होते थे, ठीक है. But again, that complex/confidence that I'm not, beautiful enough or good enough for any guy to be serious about me or to be genuinely interested in me. College भी ऐसे निकल गया. I was with my friends. I had a great time. But when I went to MBA, तब नई मैंने साथिया मूवी देखी थी. है ना, perfect Vivek Oberoi, the guy, the romance, everything. And when I watched that movie, I was like, dude, मुझे ऐसी story होनी चाहिए. Look at the guy. And college का पहला दिन, एंड हमारा सेशन चल रहा है. एक लड़का वहाँ से बोलता है मे आई कम इन, एंड सडनली द एंटायर क्लास लुक्स एट द गाय, यू नो ये कौन आया है. एंड आई लुक्ड एट द गाय, आई वाज लाइक, एंड आई couldn't take my eyes off him. And he looked so much like Vivek Oberoi. And I was like, एक वो कहते हैं ना मूवीज में कि the air was
you continue, मैं सुन रहा हूँ, मुझे मजा आ रहा है बहुत ज्यादा.
the air was, you know, rosy, and there were guitars and everything. And मेरी एक best friend हुआ करती थी. She was in another section, so I called her in the recess, and I showed her that, you know, this is the guy who has come today. And she was like, yeah, ये तो काफी handsome है, बात कर. I said, पता नहीं, you know, मैंने कभी ऐसे बात नहीं की है, या कभी कोई बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं सोचा है, मैं कैसे करूँ. तो खैर उसके बाद जब रिसेस ख़त्म होगी वो चली गई, नेक्स्ट क्लास हुई और अटेंडेंस हो रही थी. सो जब मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ तो द टीचर सेड नितिका मलिक. आई सेड येस. So the banda was sitting in front of me.
He turned back.
And he asked me the first ever question. Are you a Jat? I said yes. And there was a certain smile on his face. I was like,
is he a Jat?
Yes. He's from UP ke Jat.
UP Haryana doesn't go, by the way.
Yeah. And probably that's why there is a certain chemistry. So
how long you guys been together?
So we had 4 years of relationship, and then we got married in 2012. And now in 2025 we'll complete how many years? 13? Yeah, 13 years. So almost 17 years for now. So 4 years of courtship. And I think when I saw him, Aditya,
this podcast is about you, to be honest.
No, I'm just telling my love story also. It's about me, you know, my love story.
Okay.
So
Aditya, I'm sorry yaar.
So जब मैंने उसको देखा तो आई फेल्ट कि इस लड़के के लिए आई कैन फाइट विद माई पेरेंट्स, यू नो, इस लड़के के लिए आई कैन गो टू.
अभी बात भी नहीं हुई है,
अभी बात भी नहीं, मतलब अब शुरू हो गई है,
हाय हेलो हो रहा है,
हाय हेलो हो गई है. एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू परस्यू मी एंड आई एम बीइंग वेरी एरोगेंट एंड रूड.
व्हाई?
Because
तुम्हें लगा कि it should not be easy catch?
Yeah, no, not the easy catch. I wanted to be sure that he really likes me because of that complex thing that why would a guy like me? You know, ek wo hota maybe, you know, that, see, I'm coming from a stage wherein I said that I am not good enough to a stage wherein I am saying that I am good enough. Thank you for, you know, praising me. So I have come a long way. And then I wanted to make sure that he really likes me, because
now I actually connect the dot. When I said you look good today, you said, oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I know I look good today.
Yeah,
I said, okay,
yeah. So
we're connecting the dots
yeah,
now.
so I have come from that you know, scenario. So, and I really wanted to be sure that this guy really likes me. Otherwise, you know, I don't want to fall for the wrong guy. That I was not a time pass kind of a thing, because I'm a very old soul. एक होता है ना कि प्यार हो गया बस मर जाएंगे, अब इसी से शादी करेंगे, नहीं हुई तो बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. You know, I was maybe a little extreme that particular point of time, but I have grown up watching Bollywood movies, yeah. So maybe that's why. And then it took almost 6 months of him pursuing, and then finally I said yes. And that's how my love story started. Although I was in love with him the first time I saw him, but
Sathiya.
Literally, it was every time he used to come in, there used to be like big smile on my face. I'm like, oh, gosh,
ये मिल जाए.
And you know, मिल गया.
What's your view on Kabir Singh movie?
Oh, I don't like that movie.
What?
Yeah.
Those, I mean, it's a good movie.
No, so it's a.
You don't like the personality of Shahid Kapoor in that?
No, I don't like that.
Why?
I would never tolerate any man.
You said you're extremist.
I'm extremist in terms of maybe the positive aspect of life.
If you're extremist, then there is nothing positive, negative. It's
no,
just
there
thought
is.
process.
See, abuse.
Did he abuse?
No, I'm saying abuse. If you talk about, you know, I'm extreme, then for me maybe abuse is also good, but
Yeah.
it's not good. See, there are 2 aspects of everything, positive and negative. I am extremist in terms of highly extreme in positive things of life, maybe love or life, wow, you know, all those things, friendship, mar jayenge. But if you talk about heartbreak, betrayal, or abuse, or any of the negative factors,
Did you look at if I मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव देख रहा हूँ उस मूवी को यार.
how
शाहिद कपूर.
how
I'm telling let me speak यार.
अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
A guy who just went for a girl crazily.
Yeah.
और उसने सोच लिया कि ये मेरी दुनिया है.
हाँ.
और उसने उसको अपनी दुनिया बना लिया.
हाँ.
And the girl is equivalent.
Yeah.
Compatible.
Yeah.
And they're doing crazy things जो तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
तुम लड़के को अगर उस नजरिए देखो ये साइको है क्योंकि ये स्पेस नहीं दे रहा. But girl is not objecting on that space because she is enjoying the closeness.
पता है there is a difference. I believe.
It's a fiction to be honest.
नहीं.
Real life में थोड़ा claustro है.
जब मैंने मूवी देखी ना, I loved the intense emotion part of it.
ठीक है.
You know, the प्यार और that closeness, या like you're mine and nobody else. कोई आके तुम्हें छेड़ेगा तो मैं उसको मार दूंगा. That is okay. But the part I didn't like was when he hit her or when he was acutely aggressive with her. I didn't like that part of the relationship. I don't think I would be okay
ठीक है, I agree.
अगर कोई मुझसे इतना ज़्यादा प्यार करता है ना,
He cannot hit you.
He cannot hit me. तो अगर कोई मुझे इस तरीके से ट्रीट कर रहा है, I should also have the right to hit the guy back, and the guy should also be okay. Will the guy be okay? अगर इसमें प्रीति कबीर सिंह को पलट के
धर देती,
हाँ, और रोज ही ऐसे कर रही होती, तो क्या कबीर सिंह उसके साथ होता? Tell me.
ये तो कबीर सिंह को पता है.
नहीं होता ना, because he want to be. पता है ये relationship.
He's like alpha male.
ये पता है relationship कैसा
He's
लगा?
like alpha male.
हाँ, ये relationship पता है कैसा है? एक शेर है और एक बकरी है, और जब तक वो उसी personalities में रहेंगे ना, तब तक ये relationship चलेगा. The moment that बकरी turns into a शेरनी personality, the शेर will run away. Because that personality was, if I will get to dominate, if I will get to decide our course of life, till that time I will love you. But the moment you say that, you know, I don't want this, या my decision is something different, उस वक्त प्यार कहीं चला जाएगा, उस वक्त वो controlling nature आ जाता है. And I don't think that's good in relationship. I cannot survive in such a relationship. I think there needs to be an equal say of the partners.
How do you look at men of Indian society?
They are
Take your time to answer this.
It's a difficult question.
How do you look at men of Indian society? एक तो ना लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा बनाया है जब से एंड्रू टेट आया ना, अल्फा मैन, सिग्मा मैन, बीटा मैन.
हाँ, even I made
ठीक है.
I made reels.
I find this very stupid idea, to be honest.
See, मेरे को लगता है जैसे हमारे sun sign होते हैं ना, Libra, Leo, Virgos. I think
you're a Libra, right?
I'm a Libra. Oh, you know?
Yeah.
How come?
Because you started with Libra only. जैसे हमारे sunshine होते हैं ना, Libra, Leo.
हाँ.
So you are Libra.
But how do you know?
Because you said it.
When? I didn't.
अभी तो बोला आपने.
अच्छा, अभी.
When you take an example, now the first
you
thing that comes to mind, Benji, belongs to you.
Mine. Smart.
अबे इसमें smart.
So, मैं क्या बता रही थी?
नितिका मजा आ रहा है.
नहीं, मजा तो आ रहा है, बट मैं बता क्या रही थी?
हम बात कर रहे थे अल्फा मेल, सिग्मा मेल, बीटा मेल, गामा मेल.
So I was talking about जो सन साइंस होते हैं, why there are sun signs. क्योंकि आप एक सर्टेन कैटेगरी ऑफ ग्रुप को आप एक पूल में डाल देते हो कि लिब्राज ऐसे होते हैं, ठीक है, लियोज ऐसे होते हैं, स्कॉर्पियोज ऐसे होते हैं. तो सिमिलरली मे बी जो थ्योरी आई है ना, अल्फा मेल, सिग्मा मेल, बीटा मेल, मे बी इट इज़ टू ग्रुप अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटीज. So I will see, for example, there are 10 guys who are like alpha males. So they might have 2 or 3 traits that they have in common. And that is how you might be categorizing certain personalities. See, predators be...
You're not making fun of it, to be honest.
I know, but see, predators...
Alpha males को predators कहा जाता है.
Predators कहा जाता है, but I think...
मैंने actually मैंने Google किया to understand this, कि what are alpha males, what are beta males. Then I realized this is stupid.
Why? Why
do you want to fucking tag it? The whole existence और तुम्हारी पूरी जिंदगी तुम्हें अनटैग करने के लिए होना चाहिए. मुझे एक चीज बताओ. If I tell you, okay, let me do this to you, ठीक है?
Oh my God.
Who are you, Nitika?
I'm a woman.
Okay, that is a gender that physically defines. तुम एक physical body हो जिसने biologically women का वो लिया. ठीक है? Does this body is you?
No.
it is something you gained. कि
Yeah,
खाना
yeah.
खाया,
हाँ हाँ
धीरे धीरे
हाँ.
छोटे से बड़े हो गए,
Yeah,
तो
हाँ.
it went over time.
हम्म.
Your mind,
हम्म.
it is what तुमने बहादुरगढ़ देखा, तुमने दिल्ली देखा, तुमने दुनिया देखी, थोड़ा ये देखा.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा तुम्हें have you been to Cambodia?
No.
How do you know the culture is there? कैसा culture है?
No,
नहीं,
no,
because
yeah.
तुमने वो देखा नहीं,
हम्म.
तुमने वो परसीव नहीं किया, फिर तुमने कभी
हम्म.
टीवी पे नहीं देखा,
Yeah.
तो वो तुम्हारी कॉन्शियस में नहीं है.
हम्म.
तो you're not the mind even. Your mind is
Yeah.
something which you constructed out
Yeah.
of.
Out of certain scenarios and
Out of your
yeah,
learning.
yeah.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो you're not the mind even. चलो मुझे बताओ, then who is Nitika?
My God, that is a difficult question.
I told you
I never thought about this as.
If you're not the body, you're not the mind, then who are you?
I'm.
You are a soul. Left soul, right soul.
Maybe I'm just a, I believe that I'm a certain part of this universe who gives out a certain.
ये ना theoretical answer है, ठीक है?
अच्छा.
मैं तुम्हें practical समझाता हूँ थोड़ा सा.
Please enlighten me.
I'm not nobody to enlighten. ठीक है, मैं बस एक simple सी चीज को बता रहा था कि मैं इस tagging के against क्यों हूँ.
अच्छा, okay.
अब हम tag कर देते हैं ना, तो हम उस इंसान को ना judgment करने लगते हैं. मुझे एक चीज बताओ, रोना कहा जाता है bad emotion है.
Who says so? अच्छा, okay.
Sadness is a bad emotion.
Okay.
ठीक है? बोर होना इज अ बैड इमोशन.
पहले नाम बताओ यार, कौन कहते हैं ऐसे?
ये एक ना
एक कैटेगरी है. अच्छा, आइडिया है. हाँ.
तो तुमने टैग कर दिया, दिस इज बैड, दिस इज गुड. मैं कहता हूँ टैगिंग है ही नहीं, तो क्या बचा? सिर्फ इमोशंस. तो हर चीज एक ही है फिर. नहीं. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, आपने टैग नहीं किया, सो आपके पास एक इमोशन है. हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट वेदर यू आर सैड or angry or jealous? So it is also kind of a tagging. मैं तुम्हें एक और चीज बताता हूँ, थोड़ा सा और नीचे आएंगे. ठीक है? ठीक है. तुम सैड हो, बस. Okay. तुम मुझे बता रहे हो निखिल मैं सैड हूँ. मैंने कहा ओके. अब तुम्हारा माइंड कह रहा है सैड इज अ बैड इमोशन, यू फील मोर डिप्रेस्ड. ओ तुम रो रहे हो, someone tells you बेटा रोना गलत बात है, it's a bad emotion. I'm saying do not call it bad good, just tell what is it. तो ऐसे ही तो होता है. Who says कि रोना, या there are people who says it, but मुझे लगता है कि I might find a reel of you saying this. Me? I'm just kidding. No, I never made I think रोना so what I think is कि जो भी आपका emotion है, if you express it, sadness है, गुस्सा है, jealousy है, हंसी आ रही है, खुश हो, आई थिंक एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए. तुम्हें पता है एक बार ब्रूस ली ने कहा था कि बिकम वाटर. हैव यू हर्ड दैट? बिकम वाटर, कि यू पुट इनटू कप, यू आर अ कप. हां, दैट इज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. तुम वाटर कैसे बनोगे कि उसकी ना कोई टैगिंग नहीं है. तुम कहोगे अरे रिजिडनेस, मैं अल्फा हूं. अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ निखिल. तुम मेरा पॉइंट समझ रहे हो? मैं समझ गई, बट मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप जब किसी से मिलते हो, आप ये थोड़ी ना बोलोगे हाय आई एम निखिल, आई एम अ अल्फा मेल. या मैं ऐसे थोड़ा ना बोलूंगी हाय आई एम नितिका, आई एम अ सिग्मा फीमेल. कोई बोलता है क्या ऐसे? नहीं बोलता ना. सो इट इज जस्ट मे बी फॉर साइकोलॉजिस्ट I'm saying I'm against the idea. मैं कह रहा हूँ मत तुम करो. बट कोई ऐसे, अब मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगी ना कि हाय आई एम नितिका, आई एम अ सिग्मा फीमेल, आई हैव अ लिब्रा सन साइन एंड आई एम अ वेरी एम्पावर्ड वुमन, वेरी नाइस टू मीट यू. I wouldn't introduce myself that way. So we're going to use this in the thumbnail जो इन्होंने बोला. So इसीलिए मेरे को लगता है कि maybe this tagging is. Are you Sigma female? I don't know. You just took an example, okay? Don't. When I'm saying I don't know, don't use that, because my next reel will be about comparison of alpha and sigma female. So. No, I don't know is a very beautiful term. You know that? हाँ, but the next stage of I don't know should be that I gather knowledge about it as well. Exactly. If you assume. I might know. So you kill the possibility of knowing. Yeah. And I like the way you said it. I don't know. Yeah. So I would really want to explore that side of the I don't know, the other side of I don't know. Always. था क्या कुछ question? नहीं. This is good. I'm just hearing you out on alpha part. नहीं तो I believe, I think. But what type of males do you like? Okay. Tagging के accordingly. Tagging के accordingly. नहीं यार, tagging के accordingly. So I would just describe a personality. I would say
एक strong personality who is able to hold on his own and is not intimidated by any female or by any male. Somebody who is confident enough that,
Who speaks his mind.
yeah, but also knows where to draw a line.
What's your view on feminism?
I knew that this question would come. I am all in for feminism, but I am not supportive of the extreme side of it. The extreme side is that अगर मेरे लिए convenient है अभी कि मुझे ये काम चाहिए या ये आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस, देन सडनली आई कम एंड से यू नो आई एम अ वुमन, गिव मी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, उसको मिल रही है तो मुझे भी मिलनी चाहिए, आई एम देयर, तो ठीक है. बट नाउ व्हेन यू आर नॉट comfortable with a certain situation, now you say to the man that where is your chivalry gone, protect me, be there for me, care for me, you are not providing me enough. Now फिर वो equal opportunity कहाँ चली गई या वो equal responsibility कहाँ चली गई? I think that there is an extreme side to it wherein it is being used to a certain disadvantage towards men. I believe in equal opportunities, but yes, I also believe that there is a difference between a man and a woman. What a woman can do, man cannot do, and vice versa. So मुझे लगता है
Say
कि
it. What a man can do.
and what
I
a
don't know.
man can do, a
Why I'm
woman.
saying this because I don't believe in vice versa. ठीक है.
See.
तुमने मेरा जोक किल कर दिया, ठीक है.
नहीं, so मुझे genuinely ये लगता है that you know a man and a woman are, जैसे a man is physically
They're
strong.
not meant to be equal, to be honest.
They are not. Why मैं कह रही हूँ कि a man is physically strong, a woman is not physically strong. अब आप उसको ये सब नहीं बोल सकते. A man is physically strong, a woman is not physically strong. अगर आप ये बोलो कि मुझे जाके सड़क पे लड़ाइयाँ करनी है, आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट, आई एम अ वुमन, गिव मी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई वांट टू फाइट, मेरा झगड़ा हो गया, मेरी गाड़ी लग गई है, आई वांट टू गो एंड फाइट, यू नो, फाइट विद अ मैन. नहीं कर सकते यार आप वो वाली चीज़. आई थिंक एज अ वुमन वो करना भी नहीं चाहिए, बट
एज अ मैन भी नहीं करना
एज अ मैन भी नहीं करना चाहिए. बट मुझे लगता है कि आप जब एक्सट्रीम ले जाते हो ना, अगर आपके पास कोई राइट है या कोई एडवांटेज है, इट शुड बी यूज्ड प्रॉपरली एज इन जुडिशियसली और रिस्पॉन्सिबली. बट व्हेन यू यूज़ इट अगेंस्ट सम पीपल, जैसे बहुत सारे केसेस हुए हैं वेर इन वुमेन सेड समथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट मैन, कि एक वो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे एक लड़की ने कहा था ना, इसने मुझे छेड़ दिया दिल्ली में, एंड इट वाज ऑल रॉन्ग एंड एवरीथिंग.
That was fake.
I don't like that part of feminism, that why women are doing this, why they are destroying the word feminism. It has actually become, पता है, अगर कोई ये बोले आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट नाउ, लोगों को लगता है ये एक्सट्रीम है. ये सिर्फ ना औरतों का झंडा लेके भागती है और कहती है कि सारे आदमी गंदे, I hate all men, and this is what feminism is all about. And I don't believe feminism is about hating men. That is what I believe.
Do you is it fine ki women get extra? Obviously, yeah, I agree to it.
No.
For example, in a metro there are reserved seats for women, there is a reserved coach for women.
Yeah, वो पता है इसलिए भी है because you know, हाँ, true,
but there is.
But यार अगर ऐसे बोला जाओ तो फिर आप ये बताओ कि कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में if a man has done MBA, woman ने भी की हुई है, दोनों की सेम जॉब है, a man will be paid more than a woman. Why?
नहीं.
No. Why?
मैं बताऊंगा आपको, इसका आंसर दूंगा मैं.
So जब कोई आदमी इंटरव्यू देता है कंपनी में, तो कंपनी वाले क्या सोचते हैं कि इस आदमी के ऊपर इसकी वाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इसके बच्चे की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, घर की है, पेरेंट्स की है, EMIs एंड एवरीथिंग, सो ही शुड बी कॉम्पनसेटेड इन अ बेटर वे. बट जब एक फीमेल जाती है इंटरव्यू के लिए या सेम जॉब के लिए, वो क्या बोलते हैं कि हस्बैंड तो कमा ही रहा होगा, दिस इज़ अ सेकेंड इनकम, और ये तो टाइम पास के लिए कर रही होगी, तो वाई शी नीड्स दैट मच ऑफ मनी, दिस इज़ वैसे भी अ सेकेंड सोर्स ऑफ इनकम फॉर द फैमिली, एंड शी वोंट बी पेड इक्वली, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन दैट इन कॉर्पोरेट एंड इट इज़ द ट्रूथ. दो equal individuals in terms of educational background, experience background, they won't be compensated equally.
It's relative. I mean, it could be an organization to organization, but मेरा जो experience है और working in corporate.
अच्छा, मुझे एक बात बताओ, जब आदमियों का इंटरव्यू होता है, nobody asks that are you married or you have any plans of getting married, or if you are married, when are you having kids?
एक और चीज़ है, मैंने बहुत इसमें ना, you need to understand कि जो corporate world है ना, वो एक धंधा है. It is money.
Yeah.
women would go on a maternity leave,
हाँ,
paid
that
maternity
is
leave,
true,
ठीक
true,
है.
true.
Being, अगर आपका business है,
Hmm,
मतलब आपका business है,
hmm,
and एक लड़का है और एक
Hmm.
लड़की है,
hmm,
तो वो रात को 11 बजे तक तुम्हारे साथ
Hmm.
काम कर रहा है, और एक लड़की है जो कहेगी नहीं अंधेरा हो रहा है, मैं
हाँ,
6:30 बजे घर जा रही
हाँ,
हूँ सर.
हाँ,
Who will get a promotion earlier?
yeah,
मैं डिफाइन नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि मैं इसमें आई हैव सीन women working late
late, हाँ,
and they are on president
yeah,
level, they are on a
yeah,
CXO's
हाँ.
level.
So maybe
It
वो
is not about
category कम है.
gender, it is about how much effort you put into it.
नहीं, so वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि I have seen this in my real life that there are two people, एक male एक female, working equally well, traveling is not a problem, and doing everything same, but yet just because you think that the man will be able to smoke with the clients, drink with the clients, go out late at nights, and a woman can't do it.
Yes,
So therein a male will obviously get an advantage.
100%.
सो उसमें मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि कॉर्पोरेट की फॉल्ट है, बट जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ डेस्क जॉब और एनी अदर जॉब वेर इन यू फील दैट बोथ आर इक्वली वर्किंग, ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है, बट फिर भी एक कहीं ना कहीं फैक्टर होता है कि आदमी की इनकम प्राइमरी इनकम होती है और फीमेल की इनकम सेकेंडरी होती है.
Have you seen इसी के ऊपर मेरा क्वेश्चन है, एक लड़की ना 50,000 कमाती है.
हाँ.
Do you get the question?
नहीं, बट मे बी आई नो वेयर इज इट गोइंग.
ठीक है, एक लड़की 50,000 कमाती है, she would not marry a guy who is earning less. ठीक है, 100%. Could be a classic case
यार
कि
ये तो आप वैसे बोल रहे हो.
अब एक लड़का है,
नहीं ये आपने पता है कौन सा एग्जांपल दिया है कि एक फैमिली है एट अ सर्टेन लेवल, उनको अपनी डॉटर की शादी करनी है, सो दे विल नॉट मैरी देयर डॉटर एट द सेम लेवल, दे विल ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ द नेक्स्ट लेवल. डोंट यू थिंक सो?
तुमने यहाँ पे ना फैमिली एंगल जोड़ दिया. That's स्मार्ट ऑफ यू.
चलो ठीक है, हम सैलरी वाली बात करते हैं. ठीक
नहीं, वो भी सैलरी पे ही था पहले भी, बट इज इट राइट? लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल द वे यू सेड इट कि लड़के डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं कॉर्पोरेट और उसमें वर्ल्ड में, बट मैं समवट एग्री भी करता हूँ और समवट मैं डिनायल मोड में हूँ कि इट्स मोर अबाउट हाउ मच यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल.
दैट आई थिंक हाउ कॉर्पोरेट वर्क्स लाइक प्रॉफिट प्योरली नंबर,
हाउ मच यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल. दूसरी चीज मैंने ये देखा है, अ गर्ल नेवर मैरीज डाउन, दे ऑलवेज मैरीज अप.
एंड men
tend to marry down.
हाँ, because men have a thing of dominating, right? How many men will be comfortable
How
with
many
a woman?
women would say yes to a man who is low on
How
income?
many men will say yes to a woman who is at a higher position and is earning
I will say
more
yes.
than? Maybe you are one of the rare ones.
No, I'll be happy.
Because in Indian mentality अभी भी वो चीज़ है कि जो ज़्यादा पैसे लेकर आता है, maybe it's a man or a woman that will get to dominate the household, and not many men are okay with successful wives. Don't you think so? So if your wife is more successful, she's traveling much more, she's bringing much more to the table, she can of course dominate by saying,
then you never loved her. If you're not enjoying her success, you never loved her.
So maybe there are very less percentage of people who would be able to live with that.
If your kid wins something, खुशी होगी? खुशी होगी?
If
तुम्हारा बच्चा कुछ जीतता है, खुशी होगी?
हाँ, बहुत
अच्छी खुशी होगी. It works like that.
But you tell me how many Indian marriages are
global ले लो यार.
चलो ग्लोबल ले लो यार. आजकल जैसे लोग शादी भी नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप मुझे बताओ जेन्युइनली कितनी शादियों में जेन्युइन प्यार है या कितनी शादियां बस चल रही हैं?
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसी के ऊपर आ रहा था अबाउट हाउ मैरिज इज वर्किंग इन इंडिया. What do you feel? People are going for open marriages.
I don't agree with that. I think I'm not okay with that. See, मेरे को लगता है कि once you're committed, you should be with that person. And if you have started loving somebody else, then just have the guts to tell your partner and just move away from that marriage. Why to live a double life? And why to betray your partner like that?
जहाँ पर they are very their other partner is fine with it as well.
I don't believe that we human beings are animals, that we should be just going out and be with whoever we want. कि चलो आज हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, let's see आज कौन available, आज इस गली में जा रहे हैं, कल दूसरी गली में. So I don't believe that is a civilized way of living. I don't believe in open marriages. No, maybe in next life, maybe in 3050. Whatever that year would be.
This is happening. This is happening.
I know. I have heard about this. This is happening, and and I don't know how partners are okay with it, but
That's your take on it.
I don't agree with it. This
No,
is
that's
not
your take on it, that you do not agree to it.
yeah, that's my take on it. I wouldn't believe that this is a way of living for me.
Okay. मैं इस पे कमेंट नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि
नहीं, I would want to know your view also. What do you think about open
I'm
marriage?
fine with them. I'm very
Is
fine
it?
with them. Yes.
But don't you think that it takes
I
away
have,
that
I have,
emotion?
I have. No, that they look life very differently. You need okay. पहली चीज, who am I to talk in their relationship? सबसे पहली चीज.
No,
नहीं. ठीक है?
Okay.
उनकी मैरिज है ना, वो डिसाइड कर रहे हैं,
Hmm.
and they both are happy doing it.
Hmm.
They love each other, but they explore physical aspects like sex outside marriage,
Hmm.
and they're happy with it. They're happy with it. Who am I to put my finger into it?
No, I'm saying that that's my personal opinion, but I feel that I don't know if
But if you
I
ask me,
love
is
someone.
it civilized way? Yes and no, because I mean, this is how relationship doesn't work like that, to be honest.
Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि आप कितनी भी ओपन मैरिज कर लो, बिकॉज एक सर्टेन पॉइंट के बाद there is a certain emotion maybe of your partner that you have deep love for your partner, you still love your partner, and then you have an open marriage, you know, that emotion
Would fade away.
for your partner. आप कितना भी कह लो कि नहीं,
I think it fades away. That's the reason they look for an open marriage. It is the after
so
step.
it's so
And I have not seen any success rate of it. It is still
Yeah.
happening. अभी time लगेगा, 10 साल बाद हमें
Hmm.
इसके consequences पता चलेंगे.
Hmm.
But what I feel is this is not the way.
Yeah,
ये पहली चीज है,
I
दोनों हम
second
agree
that.
कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, I second that. Yeah, पहली चीज
हम
क्या
इससे
बात
पहले
कर
कुछ
रहे हो?
agree किए हैं हम?
नहीं,
I don't know.
I
ठीक
thought
है.
that we were
Then
on
you have to
same
watch the podcast again.
page.
आपने ना एक बार
टॉक्सिक पेरेंट्स पे एक रील बनाई थी, यही कहने वाले हो क्या?
नहीं,
ओके, हाँ.
आपने एक बार ना वायरल पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर रील बनाई थी. How to go viral on the
yeah.
Well, what is it about?
So you want an honest answer
Yes.
to that?
Do you believe there can be a personality which is viral?
I think there are many viral personalities out there, but
I've seen
until
viral as virus.
but until you meet them and experience them, you wouldn't know.
True.
So now I'm talking to you, now I know you, and I can say that you have a great personality, you have a great vibe, and I'm loving interacting with you.
तुम्हें पता है, मैं 1 घंटा हो चुका बैठे हुए.
नहीं, अभी मुझे पता नहीं चला. Oh, see, so you are a great personality in that way. I am too. So मुझे लगता है
I
कि
love you for saying that. Trust me on this. And I am too.
हाँ, thank you.
हाँ.
तो yes, जो viral personalities होती हैं, you would until you experience them, until you are in their energy circle, in their vibe, you wouldn't understand that how great their energy is. So मुझे लगता है कि viral personalities होती हैं, but you need to be with them to experience it. You just can't see from afar and say ki, wow, what a great personality, because sometimes
How can one be? How can one develop a viral personality?
oh,
You have any like steps to it?
step one is always be yourself. Step 2 is
If you be yourself, I think that ends everything.
yeah, step 2 is go to step 1. Never be ashamed of yourself. I think once you start getting ashamed of yourself, be it your clothing choices, be it how you speak, be it what your financial status is, be it how your friends or family background is, once you start getting ashamed of any part of yourself, then you will develop a fake personality, or you will become something who will be out there just to please people and tell them, please accept me, I am a nice person. And I believe until you will be yourself and you accept yourself, you love yourself, I think there you are, you have a great personality and everybody would want to be associated with you.
लेकिन थोड़ा personal question पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ, पूछो, let's see.
You talked about coming from Bahadurgarh, a small city, small town, and then making space here. If I look at you right now when I spoke, it was surprising to me.
Yeah.
ठीक है? कभी तुमने झूठ बोला? Have you been ashamed of yourself sometimes? कभी किसी को hide किया, यार साउंड अच्छा नहीं करेगा? Genuinely.
हाँ हाँ, I'm thinking because it has been
मैंने
long.
किया है.
हाँ हाँ.
मैंने किया.
Mm, yes, I have maybe because कई बार क्या होता है ना कि when you live a social life, you are in corporate, you have a social circle, and you believe that there are certain aspect of your life, maybe regarding your family or regarding your own thing, and you need to keep it personal. You don't need to divulge every information to everybody. Not everybody out there is your well wisher. Not everybody would lend a helping hand to you. Half of the people will be making fun of you behind your back. So I think for those set of people or those category of people, I would not divulge, or I might lie. And I'm proud of the fact that I can filter that out with those people, because I wouldn't want to share the sensitive information which might be used against me. So yes, I have lied. And
That's a very smart answer you put up. A
Hmm.
corporate answer. ठीक है. But genuinely, कभी college में जैसे गए थे initially,
Hmm.
you said you were low on confidence.
Hmm.
You were
Hmm.
confident about one thing that
Yeah.
मैं भूल गया, but I remember the complex part.
Yeah.
कि how can he love me? I'm not good looking. ठीक है. कभी जैसे होता है ना यार, हम किसी सर्कल में बैठे हैं और you have you like manipulated, अरे I'm from Delhi यार, I'm from a big city.
नहीं. How was I was, see, I think I still get into trouble because I think I'm too nice for this world. एक होता है ना कि you have to be
यार
cunning.
तुम मुझे भेज देते ना कि मैं तुम्हारी प्रेज कर देता पॉडकास्ट में.
नहीं,
Nitika, you're too nice for the world, huh?
Genuinely, no, I'm telling you, because I've been praying to God, please make me 50% cunning. I want to be that chunt and chalak person sometimes who should say not something which is on my mind, who wants to say something which you would want to hear. I want to be sometimes that person because I'm so blunt, and almost 90% of the times I say what's in my mind, and then I regret it, that I should not be speaking my mind so freely, because not everybody can take the truth. So that's why I'm saying that I never said anything. I never lied about me, because I used to get a pocket money. I used to travel by bus, and then half of my friends used to travel in car. But I never said कि नहीं मेरे पास भी कार है, बट मेरे पापा मुझे छोड़ने नहीं आ सकते, या मैंने अभी ड्राइविंग नहीं सीखी है, या मेरे पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं है. वाई टू लाई अबाउट इट? और ऐसा झूठ बोलने से कल को मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो. आई डोंट लाइक टू लाई कि जो मेरे लिए ना आफत बन जाए, कि मुझे ना मेहनत करनी पड़े उस झूठ को डेवलप करने के लिए, याद रखने के लिए और उस पर बिल्ड ऑन करने के लिए, कि कल को अब मैं गाड़ी ले आऊँगी और फिर बहाने मारूँ. फिर कॉलेज के 3 साल उसी में निकल जाते. सो आई चूज़ व्हाट टू लाई. अपना झूठ चूज़ करना पड़ता है ना. ऐसा झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहती जिससे मेरी ज़िंदगी में ना काम बढ़ जाए और आफत बढ़ जाए. सो आई डोंट वांट टू लाई ऑन.
Professionally, to not giving enough substance to someone to use against you.
Yes.
You're smart. ठीक है. There is another reel you talk about toxic parents.
Yes, I did.
How can parents be toxic?
Have you seen the series on Netflix, Monster?
No.
So there were these 2 boys in US, and they murdered their parents. And then they were arrested, and the case which came, the entire thing, and then they told about how they were abused as kids, how they were exploited as kids. And we have seen so many examples even in India wherein we see fathers raping their daughters, mothers killing her own children, or throwing their kids in the garbage, infants in the garbage. Don't you think that they are parents and they are toxic?
मैंने उस तरह
I can't.
मैं extreme नहीं गया था.
I can't. I have seen, okay, so this is an extreme example, but I have seen families wherein you would be a good child until you say yes to everything, and you will be एक होता है ना कि
Have you been a good child?
Yes and no.
Yes. Because after 12th, your father filled 20 forms. But तुमने मुझे ये नहीं बताया कि what you wanted to do in life.
No, I was confused person. I wanted to go to Mumbai, but I knew my family wouldn't be okay with it. So I just went. I think life took me, and I just went with it. I went with the flow. I was like water at that time. I was literally water at
ठीक है.
that particular point of time. I'm going to Delhi. This BBA, okay, let's do it. MBA, okay, let's do it. You know, I was
Are
like
you
that.
in corporate sales?
Yes,
ठीक है.
लग रहा है.
हाँ, because you're using the same terms that I'm using and throwing it back at me.
हाँ.
I'm like water. You're water. ठीक है. I get that idea of toxic parents, but
नहीं, so हाँ, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि yes, I was a वो उस क्वेश्चन पे बाद में आते हैं. But yes, I have seen families जहाँ पर parents abuse their kids. They financially abuse their kids that we will withdraw support. आपने 3 Idiots भी देखी होगी. You know, that Madhavan parents who emotionally manipulate.
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे.
हाँ, नहीं मानेंगे. और and that guy who jumped off the window कि पेरेंट्स का ऐसे हो जाएगा वैसे हो जाएगा.
उसके पेरेंट्स बेचारे टॉक्सिक नहीं थे.
नहीं
वो
नहीं,
बेचारा लाइफ में ऐसे था.
वो वैसे था. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि आप सोचो कि आपका जो सेफ स्पेस है, आपके बच्चे का सेफ स्पेस क्या होना चाहिए? अपना घर, उसके पेरेंट्स, कि कुछ भी हो जाए, माई पेरेंट्स विल बी देयर फॉर मी. दे विल नॉट अब्यूज मी फाइनेंशियली, दे विल नॉट अब्यूज मी मेंटली, इमोशनली, दे विल नॉट ब्लैकमेल मी. एंड आई हैव सीन families and parents wherein kids wherein they just can't wait to get out of their homes, and they are so stuck there, and they feel that this is not my safe space. So why do we put a label on parents as, जैसे जब मैंने रील बनाई थी तो एक कमेंट आया था मेरी इस रील पे, उसमें उस बंदे ने लिखा था कि पेरेंट्स ने हमें जन्म दिया है and they can do whatever they want with us, even if it is abuse, because they own us. And I believe you follow Sadhguru, right? Sadhguru यही कहते हैं ना कि you don't own anybody. आप बच्चे को अपने लाइफ में लेके आए हो, बच्चे से पूछ के नहीं लेकर आए हो, अपनी मर्जी से लेकर आए हो, और वो इस दुनिया में आया, उसकी अलग आइडेंटिटी है. अब आप उसको अपना एक स्लेव, मिनी स्लेव बना लो, and I think that is toxic. You wouldn't want your child to become a slave of yours, would you?
No.
So there it is. There are toxic parents. And this is a reality. They are not gods. They are human beings. They will do mistakes. It's fine. But then you need to understand it कि ऐसा concept होता है. It's not, आप जब किसी को बोल देते हो ना ये तो भगवान है तो कुछ गलत नहीं कर सकता. नहीं, I'm sorry. I don't think any human being is a god.
And in the name of God, there are people doing shit.
Yes. So another example is IIT Baba, who is in news.
तुम्हें पता है वो ईशा से है?
हाँ. Who is in Mahakumbh and taking a lot of.
He's a Haryanvi.
हाँ. And that guy said that मैं इतना अपनी family life से इतना दुखी हो गया था. I used to see my parents fighting and I was not cared for. I was not looked after. And even after doing IIT and everything, being a learned, educated guy, he could have earned a lot of money, but he was mentally so disturbed. He said, I want to leave everything and become a Baba. So you see the kind of impact a toxic family culture can have on a child, that his entire destiny was changed. So I do believe, yes, there are toxic families out there.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up here. This is a pod with Nick, and this was Nitika Malik. We're gonna leave a link in the description box to her Instagram. Go find her, she's beautiful. And you're gonna like the way she talks. She actually emits toxicity. So good to be there. We're gonna find you in other episodes. Keep subscribing, keep loving. कोई feedback है ना यार, अपने तक रखो.